G'day everyone, and welcome to the Enterprise Tech Playbook. I'm your host, Matt Ashby. After years in the trenches of enterprise IT, wrestling with everything from complex infrastructure to cybersecurity challenges, including my time in multiple levels of government, state, and federal implementation, I'm absolutely stoked to bring you this new resource. Consider this your definitive guide to transforming IT hurdles into strategic wins. What's the Enterprise Tech Playbook all about? It's designed to be your go-to resource for actionable insights, expert commentary, and proven strategies from seasoned leaders across the enterprise tech landscape. We're not just going to be talking theory here. We're going to be giving you practical how-to guides and the plays you can genuinely run in your own organization. We'll be diving deep into critical topics like IT strategic leadership, architecting modern and resilient systems, and staying ahead of the curve in cybersecurity. Think of it as a comprehensive toolkit, equipping you with the knowledge to drive innovation and tangible value within your enterprise. Now, you might be wondering, why this video podcast? And why from me? That's a really good question. The truth is, the Enterprise Tech Playbook really started with a nagging thought I had while driving past the super retail group a couple of suburbs away from me. I found myself thinking, I wonder what their tech stack actually really looks like. How do they manage their cybersecurity? What strategic plays are they actually running? My brain naturally gravitates to those kinds of questions because, let's be honest, I'm just simply a curious person who absolutely loves chatting about all aspects of IT. And that led to one of the second more profound reasons for actually starting this. Throughout my career, specifically when I was more of a junior IT professional, I constantly struggled with finding the right source and a reliable source of information about what good looks like in the enterprise tech space. There were so many times I just wish I had a practical reference point, a real world playbook, instead of having to piece it all together myself. So this podcast is my attempt to try and create that resource for other people. The one that I wish that I had. Now, who exactly is this for? Firstly, if you are an IT leader or a decision maker, CIO, CTO, director, enterprise architect, or heading up infrastructure and operations, senior IT consultant, the list goes on. This show, built for you. We understand your needs of the strategic insights and actionable frameworks and staying current with all the major trends and their implications. But it's not just for execs. If you're an aspiring IT professional, perhaps you're a junior or mid-level IT engineer, be it networks, systems, or a cloud engineer. If you're a cybersecurity analyst, a DevOps engineer, or an IT support specialist. Even if you are an IT student still in university or TAFE, or if you are just aspiring to move into the IT leadership role, you'll find some immense value here. It is also for other people who are just genuinely interested within the IT tech landscape. We're committed to fostering mentorship and accelerating knowledge transfer, bridging the gap between high-level strategy and the real-world applications. We want to help you develop the skills and understanding to propel your career forward and make a significant impact. So, what can you actually expect when you hit play on one of the episodes of the Enterprise Tech Playbook? Now, quick heads up, while the full-blown in-depth playbook interview series with all the incredible guests is definitely coming, we're going to be starting off with the news desk segment because, frankly, staying on top of what's happening right now is absolutely crucial. Think of it as the bit of a warm-up act while we're finalizing the logistics and planning out some of those bigger and exciting playbook interviews. So for now, you'll get a punchy, timely breakdown of 3 to 5, sometimes more, depending on what's happening, key IT news stories that are shaking up the enterprise world. We won't just tell you what has actually happened. We'll give you the expert commentary, context, and the real world implications for the organizations that you work in. It's about getting the IT unpacked, and it's going to be for pros, by pros, and everyone else. And going beyond what the actual headlines are, understanding what it truly means for you and your team. Once we roll into the main episodes, you'll get every fortnight. They're going to be deep dives featuring high caliber IT leaders from across Australia and globally. And let's just be clear, they will be the real experts, not just me sitting here geeking out and having a bit of a squiz about what they're doing. That's why we're inviting them on to unpack their experiences, their successes, and even their lessons from the field. The stuff they learnt the hard way, so hopefully you don't have to. We'll be structuring these around what we call the Playbook series. Number 1 is the Blueprint series. Here, we'll break down the architectural designs and foundational strategies for building robust, scalable, and secure enterprise systems. Think of it as getting the schematics from the master. 2, we'll be breaking down the strategic plays. These are your tactical solutions and frameworks. How do you implement the new cloud strategy? What are the key steps for a successful digital transformation? We'll give you all the plays that you can run with. 3, lessons from the field. These will be real-world case studies and candid conversations about what worked and what didn't, and most importantly, why. Because sometimes the best lessons come from other people's experiences. And then we'll also have segments such as the Tech Toolkit, where we'll offer unbiased insights into the essential tools and frameworks that are genuinely making a difference in the future game plan, looking at all the emerging trends that will shape tomorrow's enterprise tech landscape. Ultimately, when you tune in to the Enterprise Tech Playbook, here's what you're going to be walking away with. 1, actionable playbooks, concrete strategies and frameworks you can apply straight away in your role. 2, timely expert commentary, crucial context and implications for the latest IT news and trends. 3, we'll be bridging the gap. We're connecting high-level strategy with the gritty reality of implementation and the operations within large organizations. 4, mentorship and knowledge transfer. You're going to be learning directly from the veterans to accelerate your own career growth and addressing the professional isolation across the generations of IT pros. And 5, we're going to be offering diverse perspectives, a broader understanding of challenges and solutions from varied experts. So if that sounds like your cup of tea or a latte, because most of us are coffee drinkers, then make sure you hit the subscribe or follow button on anywhere where you get your podcasts and also on YouTube. And while you're at it, come and join our community on LinkedIn. That's going to be our main hub for discussion where we can connect with each other and myself. Just search for the Enterprise Tech Playbook and give us a follow over there as well. We genuinely want to hear from you. What topics are you currently wrestling with? What news stories are on your mind? So please drop us a comment on our posts or send me a message. Our very first episode will be hitting the feeds next week. It will be our inaugural news desk segment, diving into the latest in enterprise tech. I'm planning it out at the moment. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in. See you all next time. Keep learning, keep evolving, and lead with impact.